Hi everyone, it's Denise Reed and welcome back to my channel, Bramble Reed. If you're looking for all things paper mache, you have come to the right channel. This week I am going to show you how to make the paper mache Easter carrot. Now this tutorial can also be paper mache fruit and vegetable tutorial because it is kind of the same process. So join me as I start. For the best creative DIY craft content, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a post every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY creative crafts that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. So this week we're going to be making the paper mache Easter carrot, paper mache fruit. I think I might be putting some fruit in my basket, so I'll try and play with that. So guys, this is a piece that I used when I was creating my paper mache pumpkins, and the shape, it was just a bottle that I cut in half, and it's a regular, like a small bottle, not a big huge one, and then you can put it in the oven and heat it up and mold your carrot. I put the saran wrap on top of it. And now what I want you guys to do is I have turquoise, and I'll show you the color carrots that I have, and then I wanted to just kind of play with some colors. So what I found works best is to put your paper mache together and then shape it so that when you roll it out, you are not wasting. See, because it's going to go down like that. So I want to put more orange up at the top and just kind of shape it from now. Now one thing that I really like is I wanted to add additional texture so that it's thicker, but we'll do that later. So then what I did was I measured out my dough, and I do have different shapes here. I want to just show you. So I did one where it has these little things. My daughter says that it looks like a pineapple, and then I also did one where it's a grid. What you want to do is get a little bit of saran wrap. If you're making these carrots, make sure that your top is thick, because we're going to put some green stock at the top, and so you want to make sure that this portion is able to hold that weight. The other thing with this particular carrot I want to do is I want to just have some dimension to it. So I'm just going to take away little bits and pieces and add it on. You can do 3-dimension, and then remember to smooth it down, put some curves in there. Comment down below and let me know, what do you do for the Good Friday Resurrection Sunday weekend or Easter long weekend? Do you do some creative crafts with your family? Now that you know how to make the papier-mâché Easter carrot, papier-mâché fruits, I have written a guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your head and put on a digital platform. I have included a list of tutorials that will help you understand these platforms better. You can download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, are you able to join a group of creative minds like yourself? I do have that Facebook page where you are able to upload your DIY craft content. You can check out the link in my description box. Check out any of my papier-mâché tutorials and my upcoming tutorial that will be posted next Tuesday. If you like this video, hit that like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.